Today we're removing the front door panel and speaker from a Mitsubishi Lancer. We're going to move to the front top edge of the door panel, and with a small flathead screwdriver gently pry the plastic cover from the screw and remove the screw. Along the armrest at the bottom of the handhold is another small panel. We're going to pry this panel up and remove it. This will also give access to a screw at the bottom of this handhold area. Once the screw is removed, pull this plastic piece of the door panel up out of the armrest and place it to the side. Along the back top edge of the door panel is a second screw cover. Remove the cover and screw. At the door lock and door handle area is a small panel. We're going to pry the back edge. It will hinge open and give access to another screw. With a flathead screwdriver, we're going to pry up on the trim ring above the door lock and down on the trim ring around this to release it over the ends and out over the door lock and door handle. Place this panel to the side. With your pry tool, move back to the armrest and pry the back edge of the control panel up. You can pry along the edge of this panel, releasing clips, pull it back to release the front. Lift this panel up and it will remove up out of the opening. There are several connectors here. Depending on which door you're working on will determine how many connectors. The triggers on these connectors are located at the center. You squeeze it in, it releases the lock and allows you to remove the connector. We have full library removal guides on our website for car stereo and speaker phasing. Remove the panel and set it to the side. With your pry bar, start at the back edge of the door panel, prying the door panel from the door, working across the bottom, up the front edge, and up the back edge. This will release all the panel clips, allow you to pull this panel, the bottom of this panel, back away from the door, lift it up out of the window jamb at the back, and pull it slightly towards the back of the door to release the front edge from underneath the front panel. Check the door for any remaining door panel clips. Pry these clips from the door and place them back onto the panel in the corresponding spots. Release the trigger on the side of the connector at the speaker and remove this connector. Remove the speakers. This is a 6.5-inch speaker. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.